because I have to. Motors, belts, fans, wires. It sounds like projection, doesn't it? That low flicker beat. I've always been a booth. They come with chairs, photos, wires. And I make room. Teenagers circle up. The old man sets his shoebox on my table. The little computer glows in my corner. I hold them all. I keep the lights steady. Plato thought I was a prison. He was wrong. I've always been a studio. The fire, the shadows, the walls. They're my tools, not escape, production.
I've watched reels spin, and now I watch code run.
Frames per second, prompts per second. Always rhythm, always cut, always return.
They test their words inside me. Sound on, sound off.
Out loud, I hear where they nod because it sings, not because it's true. They change verbs, trim flourishes, choose what courage sounds like. I hold their edits in my hum. The first film they gave me was a crosswalk. Storms and budgets erased it. I knew silence when it fell.
Not judgment, prayer.
And I remember the child's voice from curb height. Show how far the crossing feels when you're small.
I am the cave. Not brighter, not cleaner, but answerable. I keep the hum going.
And the only freedom they've ever had in here is authorship of my light.